Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace your license plate bulb on your 2017 Kia Sorento. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I pulled the left side out so I can get the right light bulb, and here it is. The part number is 12844B2. There are two of them. Before you install that one, you're gonna make sure everything is off. Then I'm gonna use this tool to pick up the first light bulb if I can. Try not to touch those filament or the light bulb itself, and use this tool to pick it up. Alright guys, so make sure everything is turned off, because if this tool touches on both sides, it's gonna blow your fuse. Then you gotta put it in just like that. Yeah, you can touch this side right here. Make sure it's seated properly. Cool. Now we can turn it on. There we go, it's on. And let's go ahead and work on the passenger side. Oops, be careful. All right, you all set, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.